this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry, where we send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now, go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. Alright everyone, this is Josh Taylor. I want to welcome you to this video, and this video is a quick update to our Pro Signals Direct subscribers. And those are for those of you that get their our really great trade signal service sent directly to your inbox. We are actually making some additions to this service. We're going to add some shorter term market moving trades that are very, very effective that I personally take. And in the past, I have not sent these trades out to our Pro Signals Direct customers because we like to make sure we send trades out to our customers that are set way in advance, if you understand what I mean. Because we have customers in pretty much every time zone on the planet, and we want to make sure that everybody has a chance to enter the trades that we send. But we've had a lot of customers ask for some of the trades that we're going to be sending to our Mirror Trader Pro customers. Our Mirror Trader Pro customers are those who are getting the Forex signals sent directly to their FX account through a VPS server through a data feed. And so we want to make sure, because if we know a lot of our customers have their trading set up on their cell phone as well as their email, so that when we send out these trade signals, they can pretty much enter them very, very quickly. And so if you haven't done that, I highly suggest you find a brokerage firm that you can set up your brokerage account on your cell phone. And make sure you set up your email on your cell phone. Folks, we're going to be sending a lot of new, really powerful trades. I have one trading technique particularly. I have two that we're going to be adding into you guys. And one in particular has a 90% success rate with a risk to reward of 1 to 1.25, which means every pip we risk, we're actually getting about 1.25 pips. With a 90% success rate is very, very successful. But the problem with that is some of these trades we do our homework in advance, and we take the entry trigger off of a 5-minute to a 15-minute chart. And when we do that, the market is moving quick, and usually we're waiting for confirmation on a candle. So here's the thing. When we send some of these new trades, we try to send our trades out to you as much in advance as possible. But sometimes, for us to pull the trigger, we're waiting for market momentum to move to give confirmation. Does that make sense? We have to have the market give us confirmation before we enter some of the trades that we take, which means if I send them out to you by email, you have to be able to move quick. Okay, and if you miss some of those trades, it's fine. Our old style of trades of focusing on longer swing trades are great for you. But we're adding these extras in here because we've had a lot of customers ask for them and say, hey, we want some of these extra trades sent to us. So we're going to try as best we can to get all these out to you. You've got to do your part, get your cell phone trading set up so that you can pull the trigger quick on some of these things, all right? So here's what we're going to do. I sent out a trade alert on Friday. And what I did is took the trade alert and I modified it just so I can use this as an example so you can understand how this works. Now, of course, I always at the beginning have an explanation. Sometimes this explanation area is very long. I'm not just a standard trade signal service that we can send out by SMS. We give details of where we're at, what we're trying to do, some trades we need to adjust stops, we need to adjust limits, close out some of your profits here and there. And so our standardized trades, we usually send way in advance, would be something like this. Buy limit. Limit order means to put a pending order to buy the Aussie yen at 8,300 with your stop at 82.33 and a profit target of 84.55. So I'm going to show you how to enter this trade first into MetaTrader 4, because I'm going to try to kill two birds with one stone. We're trying to send this out, and then I know a lot of customers are using MetaTrader 4. So we're going to show you how to enter market orders and limit orders at the same time. And then we'll get into the new trade styles. But let me show you this first. So it says buy limit the Aussie yen at 8,300. Okay, so that means we're buy limit means buy pending. Imagine this, pending order. So in other words, if we're going to buy the Aussie yen as a limit order, then that means right now the Aussie yen has to be above 8,300. Okay, so if the price is above 8,300, we're expecting the price to drop, or what we call a retracement, hit 8,300 and continue all the way back up to 84.55. That is our goal. Okay, we put a stop loss at 82.33. Always use a stop. So I'm going to show you how to enter this into MetaTrader 4. So we're going to go to new order. We're going to find the Aussie yen. It is right there. And we are buying instant execution. Okay, let's stop right there. If any of these orders say market order, like right here, okay, market order and limit order, we never, ever, ever send you stop orders. Okay, I don't believe in the way stop orders work. It's a good way to get slaughtered. Limit orders and market orders. Market orders means we're going to enter the trade right now. As soon as you get that email, you need to get in. Limit order means we're setting this up in advance. Now, in advance could mean, I'll show you in a little bit, advance could mean 15 minutes. It could mean 15 days. It all depends. So, a market order on MetaTrader 4. Instant execution is going to be market order. Okay? But since we're doing a limit order, we're going to select pending order. Now, right here, when you go to type, you can choose buy or sell. We never see buy stop and sell stop. We never use those. Buy limit, sell limit. Okay? So we're buy limit at 8,300. Okay? And sometimes they have an extra zero on it. It's not a big deal. It ain't going to make a difference. The stop loss was 82.33, and our profit target is 84.55. So let's enter those in. Stop 82.33, and your take profit is 84.55. And make sure you refer to the video on equity management. You need to make sure you're trading the right amount of lots. Okay, you have to find the price difference. 8,300 is what we're going to buy. Our stop loss is 82.33, so we're talking 67 pips. You have to divide your total loss that you're willing to risk on this trade between those 67 pips. Okay, that depends on your account balance. If you've got $1 million in your account, then it's all a mathematical calculation. If you have $100 in your account, it's all a mathematical calculation. Okay, you need to make sure you do not risk and use your volume to choose how many round turn lots or micro lots or mini lots you're going to be trading. And of course, the equity management videos on YouTube and in the members area are going to show you how to do that. Okay, so that's how to place a pending limit order. Now let's go back to the trade update. Now we've added a couple new things in this section here. Okay, under new trades. Now some of the trades will not have this. Some of the new trades will look just like this. If that's the case, then those orders are usually set way in advance, as much as possible. In fact, if some of these trades were set in advance, they never happen. Sometimes they happen in a week, sometimes they happen in a day. But we're going to be adding some shorter term trades in here. So at the bottom of the email, I put together a little reference here. And when you see right here, if you see a star next to these, a star MM, okay, that means it's a market mover. Okay, or here it is. Here's what this means. This trade is moving fast. Be prepared to enter your trade within 15 minutes of the trade update being sent. So I send this email out to you at 10 o'clock in the morning. You need to be ready to enter that trade within 15 minutes. It could be longer, but it could be shorter. But these market movers, we might be pulling a retracement off the 15-minute or 5-minute chart that we've been waiting on, and we have to wait for confirmation. So there's not a lot of time to enter those trades, but they're very profitable. So I highly suggest, if you can set your trading up on your cell phone, that you do so. Okay. Also, limit orders, I have an explanation of this, and this order is a pending order. Market orders, you're going to buy or sell at the current price. That's whatever, when you log in, that's exactly what the price is. It expires. If this trade does not happen by the expiration time, then it needs to be canceled. Now, here's what this means. So we've got a couple orders. Now you'll see this first one says to buy limit the pound dollar at 1.2615, blah blah blah. Here's all this information. Okay, same as your usual. Okay, we're going to enter the limit, but the market mover means you better move quick. And on these market movers, you need to make sure that the price is current, because if it's 2 hours later and you finally decide to enter that trade, the price may have already moved. That trade, we may be done with that trade, took our profit, it's done. Okay, that could have happened after 15 to 20 minutes after we sent the email out. Market movers mean if you cannot get the emails very, very quickly, then you need to check your charts for confirmation that the price is not moved beyond our profit target or below our stop. Okay, it has to still be within the range to buy. And then you'll see the second email. Same thing, it's a market mover, it's moving fast. Okay, but it may say expires 5 p.m. GMT. Now you're going to see a lot of this. I have a specific trade that I trade about an hour into the London close, which is about 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. lunchtime, basically, in the U.S., which is when the London market is pretty much closing its way up. Okay, and so I may have in there's a certain time period that once these trades, we may send 3 or 4 trade signals out, maybe 1. But when we send these signals out for that special market move that I like to play, if that trade has not happened within a certain time frame, it's expired. It's done. Forget it. It's done. Because there's market momentum, there's certain market timing that's an issue, and we have to get in at a certain time, or the trade is just done. Okay, am I clear? So all you need to do to find out what where you are at GMT is you need to go to google.com and type in current time GMT. Okay, GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, and that is basically the day that it's pretty much the standardized world clock. So whatever you're at, you usually have a time zone is GMT minus 5, GMT plus 5, GMT plus 1. GMT is the base time of the world. Okay, the world clock, basically, I guess you would say. So you want to make sure that you know what time it is at any given time, GMT. Because if it says it expires 5 p.m. GMT, that means if that trade has not happened at 5 p.m. GMT, cancel it. It's done. I want to make sure you understand that. Okay, so you know how to enter these trades in already. If you have any questions, contact support. And we're really excited about adding these new trades into the system, and we're going to do our best to send you these trades in advance as much as possible. But sometimes there are these market movers, folks, and we got to be prepared to pull the trigger. All right, you have a great one. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training, free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.